This is a pumpkin carving special. You will be surprised at the ability to carve the pumpkins that I have. I hope you enjoy this pumpkin carving special.
A little floppy, I don't know.
What do you get? I think it's the little guy.
He's just got a little poop on him. You just wipe that poop off.
That's a good one.
You like it?
Yeah, I
You
do.
wanna hang on to it?
Yeah.
I'm just appearing.
at me. I never stop talking. Look at that. I'm zooming in on my mouse. I never seem to stop. This is sped up 600 times faster than it should be. And yet I'm still talking non-stop the entire video. I don't understand why this keeps happening to me, but I just can't stop talking.
Well, that's the end of the pumpkin shaving / carving video. I hope you thought it was cool and enjoyed it. I had to change my clothes because I got covered in pumpkin and I smelled like a pumpkin and it was not good. So I had to change. I'd like to do another pumpkin carving video. I thought it was pretty cool. There still is time between now and Halloween, so I could still do it. Also, by the way, if you haven't checked it out, I have a new video out. It came out right before this one. It is a video about my new single that I'm working on. I don't have a name for it yet. If you enjoy the music you hear in the video, check out my other stuff at iTunes and Spotify, all those good places to find music. And hopefully you enjoy them just as much as hopefully you'll enjoy the song that I'm working on in the other video. Anyway, I have some huge news. The end of this month, during Halloween, Nicole, my girlfriend, her family, and myself are going to be going to Disneyland. We are going to experience Halloween at Disneyland, and I'm very excited for it. I'm gonna take you guys on the trip with me. We're gonna explore Disneyland, we're gonna go on the rides together, we're gonna take the plane flight together, and by the way, it's going to be my first plane flight ever, like ever in history ever, and my first trip to Disneyland. Also, one last time before I end this video, if you haven't checked out my other video about my new single, you really should. It's cool, and if you enjoy it, check out my other music on iTunes, Spotify, all that stuff. If you enjoyed the video, hit subscribe and then hit the little bell next to it, and then why not check out the links below.